Okay, so check this out right over here. We're going to be doing a unboxing review and install on the Solar Gen 2 Lantern outdoor lights that we're going to be doing a unboxing review and install on. And in this unboxing review install, we're going to open everything up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. So right over here, we have the package open. And keep in mind, this is outdoors, but you could also use this inside as it comes with a USB-C adapter as well too. So it has a typical charging rate up to 2 to 3 hours. And for outdoor use, it's up to 6 to 8 hours. So it depends. It's your preference and choice if you want to leave it outdoors for the solar panel to absorb the sun. That way it stays on. Or you could also keep it indoors and you could charge it inside your house as well too. If you're going to use it for indoors, then I would definitely recommend use to USB-C that it comes with right over here. 2 through 3 hours of battery lifespan. So make sure if you're going to keep it outdoors, then you're going to use the solar panel. But if you're going to keep it indoors, then you could use this right over here. So it comes with 4 of them as it comes within a 4 set. And right over here, it comes with the lantern itself. And let's see how this looks like. Now, let's open it up. And there you have it. I absolutely love this. It comes with a solar panel, like I told you guys before, 6 to 8 hours of battery lifespan if you're going to keep it outdoors. It comes with this right over here, the stand itself. So you could just, if you're in the backyard, you could, put it on top of your, if you have like a hook outdoors, then you can put it on top of like that. And we're going to now take all this out and we are going to turn it on to show you guys how well this thing performs. And check this out right over here. You can see how beautiful these Solar Gen 2 lantern lights look like. Like I told you guys before, if you're going to keep this indoors, keep in mind it's 2 through 3 hours of battery life. But if you're going to keep it outdoors, you can see it comes with the solar panel itself. So it'll be up to 6 to 8 hours. You can see it also comes with the hook as well, which I'm going to show you guys. So right over here, you can see if you're in the backyard and you have like a hook or something in your home, then you could put it on just like a decoration stand and it'll just be like that. And that's what we are planning to do. And also keep in mind, it comes with all these, if you're going to use it for indoors, it comes with all these USB-C adapters as well too, which is right over here. So all these 4, if you're going to keep it indoors, then make sure to use this whenever the battery life goes down. But what we're going to do now is that we are going to go outside, and from there, I'm going to show you guys the finished results when I have it installed. I also do want to let you guys know is that when it comes time to charge it up, the USB-C is located right over here to charge it up. So this slot right over here, you can see that's where you charge it up. And I also love the fact that this does also come with a dusk to dawn mode as well too. So when it becomes sunset and it becomes dusk, then this would automatically turn on as well too. But what we're going to do now is that we're going to go outside and we're going to install this. And from there, I'm going to show you guys the finished results when I have it mounted on. And here is the finished results. Check out the Solar Gen 2 flickering flame effects. You can see how it changes the entire exterior appearance to my backyard. I absolutely love these. The best part of all is that the Solar Gen 2 flickering flame effects, you can see how realistic these look like. But the best part of all is that these are also waterproof as well. So if there's those rainy days, you don't have to worry about water or anything like that. Or if there's like a storm, these are waterproof. You can see how realistic these Solar Gen 2 flames look like. You can see up close how beautiful these are. And same, it comes within a 4 set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right over here. So just like that, it comes with the hooks provided. So if you have like a hook, you could insert it just like that, like I did in my backyard. It looks really cool, like a decoration, and it looks really nice, especially at nighttime. And it will definitely come in handy, especially for those barbecue or those grill nights. If you're wanting a little bit of a cool flame vibe, it would definitely give that ambience and appearance and give that party to your home. But I would definitely recommend these Solar Gen 2 flame lights because of the fact that they are waterproof. And also, if you're going to use it for indoors, you could put it inside your house and it will have a 2 through 3 hours of battery life and 6 to 8 hours of outside if you're going to keep it outdoors like I did. But if you're looking for a way to give a vibe and change the exterior appearance to your backyard, then I would definitely recommend these Solar Gen 2 flames, the lantern lights, because of the fact that it gives a cool vibe and it looks really cool and nice. So if you're looking for something to give that ambience, then this right over here is by far one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend these Solar Gen 2 lantern outdoor lights.